Welcome to lesson number 7 in reality transurfing, spoken as the voice of Tufty the priestess. And today's lesson is called the illusionary reflection. Do you often feel that you are at the mercy of circumstances and that you are unable to change them? This, my friend, is an illusion. Illusion that you can easily destroy if you wish. People standing in front of a mirror do not realize that they're looking at the reflection of their image. You might think at this point that you are in the hands of circumstances, in which case you're giving your power away to the circumstances, thinking that you're incapable of changing. This illusion, this fake prop, can easily be dispelled and removed if you want it to. Because unconsciously, you're going in a loop-de-loop fashion, going round and round in circles of beliefs. You observe your reality and express your relationship to it. And this image then is confirmed by the mirror as the content of your relationship to your reality in your waking life, by you viewing the reflection that you are seeing. Know that you cannot change the reflection, but you can change the image that is being reflected. Do you still want to be in a closed-loop feedback system? Reality is created simply as a reflection of your thought forms, and the nature of your thought forms is then in turn largely defined by the reflection that you are seeing in the mirror. You are not the reflection. You are the image. The image has control. And so the principle of creating your own reality lies in turning the loop in the opposite direction. Look at yourself first. Feel into what you would like to intend. And then, with that feeling, look into the mirror. So let me explain this. When a person is attached to the mirror by their relationship to the world, a primitive response to reality actually, they then try to chase after the reflection, which is equally as primitive, in an attempt to change some aspect of it. You cannot make a reflection smile, can you? But you can make the image smile with your inner smile. Now let's try and turn the mirror circle backwards. First, we express our relationship to the world that we live in. The mirror then consolidates the content of this relationship in reality, and we then observe the reality. What do we get as a result? There is no longer a primitive and powerless assertion about the reflection. This is replaced instead by a deliberate, purposeful assertion of the thought form. Instead of habitually expressing the dissatisfaction about what you do see in the mirror, turn away from it and start creating a picture in your mind of what you would like to see with your highest intention. That is the way out of the maze of the mirror. The world first stops, and then, magically, it starts to meet you halfway. So when you take control of your relationship to reality, the outer intention will begin to work. And for the outer intention, there is nothing that cannot be realized, because everything already exists in the space of variance. And so all you have to do is switch your attention from the reflection to the image in front of it. You are what you think. In other words, take control of your thoughts, my dears. Don't think about things you don't want and that you're trying to avoid, because that is insistence and resistance. Think about the things you do want and are striving to achieve. Are you ready to put your intentions out there? They must come with purity. Enjoy!